Welcome to our video.
If you find it helpful or enjoyable, please like, share, and comment.
Your interaction means a lot to us. Enjoy watching.
This tutorial explores the versatility of Python dictionaries, covering methods like values, keys, pop, a total of 10 functions in the next 5 minutes.
It's designed for both beginners and experienced coders, teaching how to manipulate and master dictionaries, from accessing elements to modifying and efficiently handling data within them. Let us start. First up is the values method. It returns all the values in our dictionary.
Here, we can see the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from my_dict. Next is keys. This lets us view all the keys.
For my_dict,
the keys are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The .pop method is great for removing a key-value pair. Here, we remove the key B and its value, which is 2.
Popitum removes and returns the last key-value pair. In our case, it's G7. Copy creates a shallow copy of our dictionary.
As we see, my_dict_copy is an exact replica of my_dict. .get fetches the value of a specified key. Here, we retrieve the value of A, which is 1.
setDefault adds a key-value pair if the key doesn't exist. We just added H8 to our dictionary. Clear empties the dictionary. Now, my_dict is completely empty.
From keys, creates a new dictionary with specified keys and a single value. Here, I, J, K, L, M, all have the value 9. Items returns all key-value pairs.
In my_dict_copy, we see pairs like A1. Update adds multiple key-value pairs. We've just added N10 and O11 to my_dict_copy. And that's a wrap on Python dictionary methods.
From adding and removing elements to fetching and updating data, dictionaries are incredibly versatile. Experiment with these methods to see how they can simplify your data handling in Python. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!